Breathing problems, cough, cold, this little device really helps. This is mesh nebulizer, compact, portable and super easy to use. You can use batteries as well as charging to operate this. It's lightweight and quiet so you can use it anytime anywhere. Just add medicine, turn it on and breathe normally. It creates fine mist for better observation. Perfect for kids, adults and even elder people. No noise, no hassle, healthy breathing made simple. Comment down for link and follow me for more such a useful product review.